welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this full face makeup look for you guys. I thought I would show you guys how I've been doing my smoky eyes lately. This is just a really quick way to have a smoky eye and look really put together, even though it's really quick. It doesn't take no time at all, and I paired it with this like warm dark nude lip just to warm everything up because the eye is pretty cool tone, neutral-ish colors, if I'm making any sense. And then I did my full coverage face, of course, and so yeah, if you guys want to see how I came up with this makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week for you guys, so make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into makeup. Okay, first starting off by putting some sunscreen on. This is my Murad one. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and prime the face, starting off with my BECCA Under Eye Primer. And then to prime the rest of the face, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer Spray. Now for concealer, I'm taking this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, and I'm just gonna place that on the veins under my eyes with my finger. And then I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer and I'm going to use that to clean up under my brows. Then for foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Then for concealer, I'm taking my All Nighter from Urban Decay, and I'm going to use this under my eyes and also to highlight the center of my face. Now to go ahead and set that concealer and also bake my face, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Now for the eyes today, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Soph palette, and I'm taking this gray color on my fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade, so into the crease and above it. Then taking a more mauve-y color, I'm going to go ahead and warm everything up just because I felt like it looked a little bit too gray and cool tone, so I'm just using this shade to kind of warm everything up. Now taking a darker brown on a 217 brush, I'm going to pack this onto the outer corner of my eye and also into the crease. And then taking that mauve shade once again just to blend everything together. Now for the star of the show, I'm taking this Ideal Duo from Dose of Colors in the color Sticks and Stone, and I'm just going to use the primer first all over the lid with my finger. And then from the same Ideal Duo, I'm just taking the pigment on the bottom and packing that on with my finger as well, all the way up to that crease shade. And now I'm gonna go ahead and buff away that bake since it's been sitting there for a while. And then just doing some last minute blending. Now taking the same dark brown we used on the top, I'm gonna be using this on my lower lash line and I'm taking that on a flat brush. Then taking the same mauve color as we used before, I'm just gonna blend that out. Then taking my eyeliner, this is the Maybelline Line Stiletto. I'm just gonna do a really simple line, no wing today, just keeping everything really fast and easy. Then taking my BECCA Sunlit Bronzer in Capri Coast, I'm gonna be using this to contour and also bronze up my face. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller blush in the color Pink Grapefruit. Then for highlight, I'm going to be using my Amrezy and Anastasia collab highlight, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face. To add even more highlight, I'm taking this Colourpop highlight in the color Flexatarian, and I'm just gonna apply that to the very, very high points, not all over, just to add some glow, just because if I use this on its own, it looks a little too light on me, so I've really been liking just placing it on the very high points. Then setting that all in place with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then for mascara, I'm using my Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit on the top and lower lashes. Then applying my lashes, these are Bronze Beauty from Vegas Nay and Allure. Then taking that shimmery color in the palette, I'm going to be using this on my inner corners and also under my brow. Then for lips, I'm lining them with my NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. Then taking the color Sellout from Too Faced, the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick on top of that. And that is it for this finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!